Hey everyone, so how to install noplace app. So this is one at the moment, one of the top apps in social media. Just it's hyping out. So yeah, just tap to download it, and then yep, you can then just download it. This is kind of like a Twitter alternative, kind of like a just nice social media network, mostly for teenagers, um, and mostly for close friends, where you can just chat with besties, find new friends, collect badges. So yep, that's the idea. So then you can just open it up, and then here you have community rules, and then you see some nice overview. You can also see things like that, and then if you were already logged in, you will be logged in automatically. You just need your phone number and receive verification text to create your account. So that's what it is.